My dear students of class 6, I am going to start chapter 10, name of chapter Angles, worksheet 2, question number 1. In which of the following are angle 1 and angle 2 adjacent angles? Question number A. In this figure, we observe that angle 1 and angle 2 are not adjacent angles because they have not a common vertex and not a common arm. So, they are not adjacent angle. Answer is no. Question number B. In this figure, we observe that angle 1 and angle 2 are adjacent angles because they have a common vertex. This is common vertex and have a common arm. This arm is common arm. So angle 1 and angle 2 are adjacent angle. The answer of this question is yes. Question number C. For this figure, here we observe that angle 1 and angle 2 are not adjacent angle because they have not a common arm. So answer of this question is no. Question number D. For this figure we observe that angle 1 and angle 2 are adjacent angles because they have a common vertex and a common arm. This is common vertex and this arm is common. So answer of this question is yes. Question number E. For this figure we observe that angle 1 and angle 2 are not adjacent angles because they have a common vertex but not have a common arm. So answer of this question is no. Question number F. For this figure we observe that angle 1 and angle 2 are not adjacent angles because they have a common vertex here but they have no common arm. So answer of this question is no. Question number 2. Write down 3 pairs of adjacent angles in the following figure. For the solution of this question, we get 3 pairs of adjacent angles in this given figure are angle BAC, angle DAC because A is common vertex and AC is common arm. Angle CAD, angle EAD. In these two angles, A is common vertex and AD is common arm. Angle BAD, angle EAD. In these two angles, A is common vertex and AD is common arm. So 3 pairs are angle BAC, angle DAC. Another pair, angle CAD, angle EAD. Next another pair, angle BAD, angle EAD. This is the answer of question number 2. Now answer of question number 3. In the following figure, are angle A and angle B adjacent? Why or why not? For the solution of this question we write angle A and angle B are not adjacent angles because they have not a common vertex. Answer is no. Question number 4. Identify the following pairs as complementary or supplementary angles. Question number A. 130 degree, 50 degree. For the solution of this question, we write sum of angles is equals to 130 degree plus 50 degree. This equals to 180 degree. So 130 degree and 50 degree are supplementary angle. Two angles are said to be supplementary if their sum is 180 degree. Question number B. 55 degree, 35 degree. For the solution of this question, we write sum of angles equals to 55 degree plus 35 degree equals to 90 degree. So, 55 degree and 35 degree are complementary angles. Two angles are said to be complementary if their sum is 90 degree. So, 55 and 35 degree are complementary angle. This is the answer of question number B. Now question number C. 95 degree, 85 degree. For the solution of this question, we write sum of angles equals to 95 degree plus 85 degree. This equals to 180 degree. So 95 degree and 85 degree are supplementary angles. Question number D. 60.5 degree, 29.5 degree. For the solution of this question, we write sum of angles equals to 60.5 degree plus 29.5 degree. We add here, we get 90 degree. So 60.5 degree and 29.5 degree are complementary angles because their sum is coming 90 degree. Question number E, 74 degree, 160 degree. For the solution of this question, we write sum of angles equals to 74 degree plus 160 degree. This equals to 180 degree. So 74 degree and 106 degree are supplementary angles. This is the answer of question number E. Question number F, 135 whole 1 by 2 degree, 44 whole 1 by 2 degree. For the solution of this question, we write sum of angles equals to 135 whole 1 by 2 degree plus 44 whole 1 by 2 degree. This is mixed number, so we change into improper fraction. This equals to 135 into 2 plus 1, 271 by 2 degree. And again we change into improper fraction, multiplying 2 into 44 and adding 1. So we get 89 by 2 degree. We take LCM here, then we get 271 degree plus 89 degree by 2. This equals to 360 degree by 2. This equals to 180 degree. So 135 whole 1 by 2 degree and 44 whole 1 by 2 degree are supplementary angles. Question number G. 33 degree, 57 degree. For the solution of this question, we write sum of angles equals to 33 degree plus 57 degree equals to 90 degree. So 33 degree and 57 degree are complementary angle because the sum is 90 degree. Question number H. 0 degree, 90 degree. Sum of angles equals to 0 degree plus 90 degree equals to 90 degree. So 0 degree and 90 degree are complementary angles. This is the answer of question number H. Question number 5. Write the complement of the following angles. A. Complement of 20 degree equals to 90 minus 20. This equals to 70 degree. This is the answer of question number A. B. Complement of 55 degree equals to 90 degree minus 55 degree equals to 35 degree. This is the answer of question number B. C. Complement of 71 degree equals to 90 degree minus 71 degree equals to 19 degree. This is the answer of question number C. D. Complement of 60 degree equals to 90 degree minus 60 degree equals to 84 degree. Question number E. Complement of 59 whole 1 by 2 degree equals to 90 degree minus 59 whole 1 by 2 degree. This equals to 90 degree, 90 degree minus 119 by 2. This is mixed number. We change into improper fraction. We take 2 as LCM. We get 180 degree minus 119 degree by 2. This equals to 61 by 2 degree. This equals to 30 whole 1 by 2 degree. This is the answer of question number E. F. Complement of 60 decimal 5 degree equals to 90 degree minus 60 decimal 5 degree. This equals to 29 minus 29 decimal 5 degree. By subtracting we get 29 decimal 5. So complement of 60 decimal 5 degree equals to 29 decimal 5 degree. This is the answer of question number F. Question number 6. Write the supplement of the following angles. A. Supplement of 110 degree equals to 180 degree minus 110 degree equals to 70 degree. B. Supplement of 82 degree equals to 180 degree minus 82 degree equals to 98 degree. C. Supplement of 31.5 degree equals to 180 degree minus 31.5 degree. Here we subtract, we get 148.5 degree. This is the answer of question number C. Now D. Supplement of 180 degree equals to 180 degree minus 180 degree, that is 0 degree. E. Supplement of 96.5 degree equals to 180 degree minus 96.5 degree. Here we subtract, we get 83.5 degree. This is the answer of question number E. F. Supplement of 100 degree equals to 180 degree minus 100 degree equals to 80 degree. This is the answer of question number F. Question number 7. Draw the following using a scale and pencil only. Also name them. A. One pair of adjacent angles. We draw angle AOB and angle COB. They are adjacent angles. Why? Because O is common vertex and OB is common arm. So angle AOB and angle COB are one pair of adjacent angles. Now question number B. One linear pair. Here we draw angle AOC and angle BOC such that angle AOC plus angle BOC form 180 degree, that is one straight angle. And now O is the common vertex and OC is common arm. So angle AOC and angle BOC are one linear pair. This is the answer of question number B. Question number C. One pair of complementary adjacent angles. We draw angle POQ and angle ROQ such that angle POQ and angle ROQ, their sum is 90 degree. Here O is common vertex, OB is common arm. Hence, angle POQ and angle ROQ are one pair of complementary adjacent angles. This is the answer of question number C. D. One pair of supplementary non-adjacent angles. We draw angle AOB and angle PQR such that their vertex are not common and their arms are not common. Here we draw angle AOB is equal to 30 degree and angle PQR is equal to 150 degree. Their sum is angle AOB plus angle PQR equals to 30 degree plus 150 degree is equal to 180 degree. So they are supplementary non-adjacent angle. This is the answer of question number D. E. Vertically opposite angles. We draw two intersecting lines which have one common vertex. Here angle 1 and angle 2 are vertically opposite angles. Similarly angle 3 and angle 4 also a pair of vertically opposite angles. This is the answer of question number E. This is the last question today. I will meet you next day with another set of questions. Thank you very much.